Skydio 2, 4 big issues. Got that coming up next. Recently, I made the decision to cancel my order for Skydio 2, and I put out a video listing those reasons. There'll be a card and a link in the description for you guys to go ahead and check that out. Now, I've watched a number of videos from multiple reviewers and have seen several issues regarding Skydio 2 that I feel strongly need to be addressed. Now, I'll be going in order from number 4 to number 1. Number 4, ordering and fulfillment. Since Skydio had experience with the R1, I figured they had an ordering and fulfillment process in place to meet any demand. Sadly, this wasn't the case. Confusion continues to reign supreme. Now, my suggestion is to put software in place to help track orders through the system so customer service agents can relay information to customers regarding the status of their orders. Unfortunately, there is nothing in place for customer service agents to relay any information to customers at this time. Number 3, the controller. Now, Skydio contracted with Parrot to purchase Anafi controllers for the Skydio 2, and it's now apparent that that was not a good move. Several videos have shown lag and breakup. Now, my good friend Ken Dono, in a recent video regarding range he was able to get, was around 4,000 feet. Now, he was able to calculate that with the help of another friend of mine, Michael Barrington, who was observing and flying his Mavic 2 Pro. Now, this was done in a rural environment away from any type of interference. For note, the stated range of the controller is 4 kilometers or 1.86 miles. I definitely recommend you check out both Ken's and Michael's videos on these tests. Number 2, no telemetry. Ken Dono was the first to point out the lack of telemetry on the Skydio 2. Knowing your altitude, distance, and speed is crucial information that every pilot needs to know. This was lacking from the start and should have been a no-brainer on Skydio's part. I've been told they're working on getting a solution implemented as soon as possible, so stay tuned for that. Number 1, autonomy issue. Multiple videos have shown autonomy issues with Skydio 2. Losing track of the subject and not knowing what Skydio will do in certain situations are serious issues that need addressed quickly. In my opinion, this is a safety issue and needs to be Skydio's top priority. Question of the day. What do you feel Skydio 2's biggest issue is? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.